Hello, fellow MGHers. This week we recognize Veterans Day, a time for all Americans to pause and express our deepest appreciation to the courageous men and women who have served or are currently serving in the armed forces. The MGH has a long and rich history of supporting our nation's military. During the Civil War, the MGH admitted soldiers free of charge. During the Spanish-American War, staff cared for soldiers in tent wards just outside the window here on the Bullfinch lawn. In World War I, a med-surg unit made up of MGH physicians and nurses was activated in France. Not far from my office here in the Bullfinch building, there hangs an honor roll featuring the names of the 403 MGH staff members who so bravely served the U.S. during World War II. And thankfully, since 2009, we've had our dedicated home-based program to help veterans heal from the invisible wounds of war. Currently, we have more than 275 veterans who work at the MGH in all departments throughout our campuses. They include carpenters, technologists, program coordinators, security officers, physicians, nurses, and scientists. The list goes on and on. I'd like to offer my wholehearted thanks to each one of these service members. Your selflessness, strength, and commitment is inspirational and very much appreciated. I'd also like to offer a personal thank you to my father, an Air Force veteran who served during the Vietnam War, and to my father-in-law, who graduated from West Point and served for a decade in the Army, including a tour in Vietnam in the Judge Advocate General's office. And to former Navy SEAL, now NASA astronaut Johnny Kim, whom I had the privilege of working closely with during his time as a medical student and resident at MGH, and whom I consider part of my family. While we pay homage to our veterans this week, I think it's also important that we recognize the family members of our veterans who support our servicemen and women and often serve as the backbone during deployments. Thank you for the sacrifices that you too have made in service of our country. This year, we are privileged to host veteran appreciation and recognition events at the MGH and across Mass General Brigham. We are honored that the Moving Wall, a half-size replica of the Vietnam Veterans Memorial Wall in Washington, D.C., will spend 4 days at MGB's Assembly Row campus from November 10th through 14th. I strongly encourage you to take the time to visit this incredibly moving tribute to the more than 58,000 Americans who lost their lives while serving during the Vietnam War. Full details about all events can be found in the description below. I hope you will join me this Veterans Day in taking the time to express your appreciation to our veterans for all that they do, all they have done, and all they continue to do to give back to our country and our community. Thank you.